Hey YouTube, what's up? It's Ebony Rashana back with another video, y'all. Let me put my seatbelt on. I was trying to get the camera right. Forgot about my seatbelt. Alright, y'all. So basically, I've been withholding some information from y'all. And really everybody else. I don't really tell too many people my business. I'm about to hook it up, y'all, when I stop at the stop sign. But basically today, I'll be moving into my first apartment. Basically because I want to start being more independent, basically showing my mom and dad that they raised a great young lady and someone that knows how to do stuff for themselves and not someone that's going to depend on other people. They're supportive and they're proud of me. I assume they're proud of me. This woman just walked behind the car talking. I thought she was trying to talk to me. But yeah, I'm assuming they're proud of me. It's nothing against my mom and dad. My mom and dad have done so much for me and I appreciate it. They've always supported me. They taught me from right from wrong. So, you know, I love my mom and dad. I have nothing against my mom and dad. We get along. Sometimes we may not always see eye to eye, but at the end of the day, we always come back together. And, yeah. So, sorry y'all if I'm not looking at the camera. I'm trying to drive. Right now, I'm on the way to get my money order to pay to get my keys, and after I get my keys I'm gonna go and show y'all the empty apartment tour, and then we're just gonna go from there because it's kind of raining, so I'm not really rushing to move a lot of stuff because it's raining. But my main stuff gotta be there because I go to work tomorrow. I go back to work tomorrow. I took the day off to get my stuff together. Sorry y'all, I'm doing a U-turn. Oh, my camera just slanted with me. Sorry, y'all. But yeah, so I'm on the way now to get the money order. It's raining, like I said. It's 61 degrees. It's Monday morning. It's 10:40. I'm supposed to be there at 11 o'clock to get my keys. Yeah. My mom is working online, so I thought she was going to come with me, but I don't want her to, you know, not work online today. I don't want her to work. But yeah, so with this move, I'm 19, I'll be 20 in September. Like I said, I just want to be independent. I want to meet some more of my goals. As far as like nails and stuff, I might possibly do nails again. It's just a lot of things I want to do, and especially like the stuff going on in today's world, I want to go ahead and do what I gotta do, because I have certain things that I want to do, like far as different sources of income, like at least 3. I got 2 right now. I'm working on the 3rd one. So yeah, and I'm trying to get back on YouTube. I really keep going ghost, and I'm kind of irritated by that. That part is stopping me. But sometimes I just don't really be wanting to pick up the camera. Like, I'll tell myself, hey, you know, pick up the camera, you know, let's do a video, and I just don't motivate myself to do it. But now I'm about to work on doing more videos and stuff. Yeah, it's 2020. It's time to go ahead and stop playing around and do what you want to do with your life, as long as it's positive. Don't do nothing you know, that's going to hurt you in the long run. Make positive decisions as always. But yeah, y'all, I just got to the food line so I can get my money order. I got less than 20 minutes now, so let's find a parking spot because it's raining. Matter of fact, I'll park over here. Oh heck, somebody in that spot. They was just backed up so far I couldn't even see that they was already in the spot. I'm just parking this one. Alright y'all, so let me get in there and get what I gotta get, and I will see you guys when I get to the apartment. Y'all, excuse my mess, but I got the keys, baby. I got the keys. Okay, y'all, so let me go down there to my apartment. I'm so proud of myself. And so I got 2 mailbox keys and 2 apartment keys. I'm gonna give 1 mailbox key to my mom and dad and 1 apartment key to my mom and dad. Yep, and I might get another one cut just to have, you know, somewhere. I don't know. because I like the keys with the paint and stuff on, because my house key and my mom and dad house, I got a little polka dot key. So yeah. So yeah, I'm going down here to my apartment now, y'all. I'm so excited. Like, it's just God. That's all I can say. God really just blessed me, and I just thank him so much. I should just go in on the side entrance. Oh, they got a parking spot open for me. She must have told him to move out Ebony's spot, because she need her spot. All right, y'all. So we're ready to enter. Let me make sure I have my cell phone and my other keys, so I can put these keys on there. Yeah, boy, let's get it. I got my apartment number and building on it. Right, let's go. All right, y'all, we are in the apartment. I'm talking low because I don't know if the neighbors or anybody's home. I don't want to be too loud on the first day. Ooh, I do not like the way that stove. I have to get my mama to help me with that. Okay, y'all, so it's kind of small. I'm gonna give you a warning. It's kind of small. It's my first apartment. I'm not gonna stress too much because this is only for a year. I'm just taking a look at everything now. I wish they would have changed the handles on the sink. And they did not clean this toilet. All this gotta be re-cleaned. This toilet is not clean. The shower. But let me give y'all a tour. I'm sitting here walking and talking. But I just wanted to give y'all a warning. Oh, let me turn off these lights. Wait, my light's already on. My water already on. Did the people already come and they say nothing? They didn't say every week came to turn the lights on. Yeah, my lights is on. And my fan. Oh no, the fan come on when I turn the lights on? Oh no. Okay. Alright, so let me start. Alright, you guys, so this is when you first walk in. This is my door. And my peephole, so y'all come trying to knock on this door. Look at my peephole first. This is my window. Don't want to show y'all outside. This is the living room. I know it's small. I told y'all it's small. This is my kitchen. Let me turn on the lights, but I'm trying to save that energy, baby. Oops, wrong one. Okay, this is my kitchen. My refrigerator's beat up. Oops. Why the hell did you open? Oh, I'm opening on the wrong end, y'all. Y'all pray for me. Okay, so this is my freezer. Shoot, I gotta clean that. This is my freezer. This is my refrigerator. This old fashioned. Like I said, y'all, it's a start. It's my stove. My oven. Oh, it's clean. Okay, they cleaned out. I was like, clean that. My cabinets. I can't buy too much food, but I don't eat a lot anyway. This is my laundry room. There go my thermostat. Y'all, for my laundry room, it's gonna be something different in here. I'm just gonna use this extra storage because my mom and dad stay 5 minutes away, and they said that I can use their washer and dryer. They said I'm welcome anytime, just to let y'all know that. I should have turned the light on in here. I'm sorry, y'all. Oh, my dishwasher. Okay, so let me turn this light off, and then turn this light on. And this is my laundry room. Like I said, I might put extra clothes on the rack and put something right there to store my cleaning supplies. I'm definitely gonna clean this up again. And I'm gonna get back in here and disinfect stuff. I have sanitizer in my car after me touching this stuff. So I'll be sanitizing my hands when I get back in my car, and then tell my mom and dad I got the keys, and we're gonna come back and disinfect everything. That's my window. I'm trying to put the bed this way and put the dresser this way. So my TV, so I can look at my TV on the dresser. Y'all, that's my baby right there. Look at my car. That's my baby. But okay. I gotta close these blinds because I don't like people looking at my establishment. The bathroom. I forgot, y'all. I'm doing a tour. It's the room. It's the fan. Okay. This is the bathroom. It's small too. It's not bad, but it needs some extra cleaning, like ASAP. It's the bathroom. It's the cabinet space. They need to fix that, child. Somebody has stained that stuff up. That toilet gotta be cleaned out. Just excuse some of this stuff. This is the shower. This is one towel rack. It's another towel rack. It has the shower curtain, the shower rod already. Yeah. And they repainted, and I have new carpet. Forgot to tell you guys that. They repainted my walls, and I have new carpet. So also I need to go get my Wi-Fi router and set my Wi-Fi up because I have to do something for my other job on my computer. This is my closet. Forgot. Sorry, y'all. Okay, I know it's small, but like I said, the laundry room will be used for extra clothing space as well. Because my shoes gotta go up here, and whatever shoes can't go up here is gonna go on that top rack in the laundry room. And towels, of course, is gonna have to go in the laundry room because obviously there's nowhere to put my towels at. But like I said, y'all, this is only the beginning. This is my I ain't even closed the closet right. Hold up. That's the laundry. That's the laundry. That's the fire alarm. Okay. Make sure all my lights is all good. What y'all? Gotta save that money. Hey, y'all, this is a short video. We're gonna make it longer. I should have opened this like this. That's the cabinet and stuff. Yeah. Y'all clear my throat because it's dry. I'm not sick. I'm talking too much with a dry throat. But it's my sink. My water already on. So yeah, we good to go. Thermostat, let me call my mom and dad and tell them the water already on because we was concerned about that. But I'll get back to y'all in a minute. Hey YouTube, we're back. Y'all missed a lot. Say hey, Mom.
Hello, hello, hello. How y'all doing?
She helped me put together the bar stools. Cause yeah. All this stuff gotta be put up. And y'all just ran into the corner of the darn headboard and hit my leg. My knee.
They ain't want to see your knee.
It hurt. That's what I'm showing my knee. It hurt.
You need to get the coffee table. I put the coffee table together.
The coffee table can't go up here to the bar stools. Cause we gonna knock the coffee table trying to get over there.
Okay.
Y'all, I found the bright lamp, the bright light bulb to put in the lamp. It's the daylight one. I did my research because I want the bright light. See where when I'm making a video, it looked like I got the other light set up. See what I'm saying? You see what I'm saying, Mom?
Yeah, I do.
She ain't paying no attention.
I am concentrating on what I'm doing.
That's the other lamp back there. It's supposed to go in the room. Y'all missed the bed too. Hey, you got everything there just about. Just gotta put the headboard on it. Why you gotta turn the thing off where I can't turn the light on with the light switch?
Well,
oh Lord. It ain't even coming on now. Okay, y'all, let me figure this out. There we go. They were loud outside. But yeah, sorry y'all, the coffee table on the bed, but this the room. We gotta get this, well, I gotta get this dresser put together. And we be set. And I gotta get my closet stuff, my clothes. It's still empty. All right, y'all. We'll get back to y'all. We got some more stuff back there. Oh, the bathroom. My mom put the shower curtain up. And cleaned it back up because I was telling y'all earlier about some of the stuff that need to be cleaned up in it. So yeah, we gonna get it together. Okay, I'll be back.